ma jëlangul suma shot bi dafa bi moom nga understand tam muy éeg nii rek xaw ma ne dafa war a waaja xaw ma ne warta waaj booba ba laay wax de ma ne xaw ma ne faat si biir nii te dafa war a waaja ah loolu lay wax nii ma ne si fine babies si fine babes caliente tamali tamali
veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got some things.
1, 2, 3, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, good morning. So today's my last day. Well, I leave tomorrow. So today's Sunday, June 5th. And I just got dressed. This is actually my swimsuit. I got it from Shein. It really has good support, and I like this cutout in the front right here. I'm not even wearing it with anything. I'm just using the support from there. And I got on this two-piece short sleeve. It's like linen. I got it from, not linen, it's cotton. I got it from Target, and it comes with a short set right here. I just have my slides on. I might change it to something else. But yeah, we're going to the beach today. So who comes to Florida and not go to the beach? Not me. So we're going to the beach today. And yeah, I already got my swimsuit on. And I got my cover up. It's just like a wrap around skirt cover up. And I got on my Gucci shades. Yeah, I got on my sunscreen. It's important. Especially in Florida, girl. I've been drenching myself in this sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I use for my face. This is SPF 45. I've shared it in one of my videos. And I also have another, this is matte, so it's good for my oily face. And then I have another one which is for the body. Focus, girl. Yeah, I have another one which is for the body, which is like SPF 30, it's a 30 or 40, something like that. So this is one of my favorites. And then I also have the travel size of this Super Goop sunscreen. It's actually very good. If I could get it to focus. There you go. Yeah, it's actually very good. And this one is SPF 40. So I got that all over my body. And then I got this on my face. Plus just my lotion and my skincare. So yeah, that's what I got going on today. And after that, I'm not sure what we're doing. But yeah, I'm almost, this is my last day, like I said. Man, yesterday, let me tell you guys. Last night I partied too hard. I partied so hard, it was not ready. You guys would already see the clips. When I came back, what I'm telling you, my feet hurt. I said, oh my God, I can't believe the last time I did this nightlife party. You guys didn't even see an inch of what happened. I danced my little butt off. I danced so hard. I had such a good time. We all had a good time. It was worth every time, every penny that we spent on there. DJ was dope, and there were several other rooms with their own DJ. So you have more of that R&B style, and then you have the predominant, of course, the Latino music, which you can dance non-stop to. So yeah, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. I had an amazing time. Oh my God, this trip was worth it. So yeah, they're waiting for me to go. So let me put my stuff away and I would head out. So yeah, this is my look. I need some lip gloss. My lips are dry. called luxury. We are here at the beach. It is massive. Look. Oh. Goes all the way. So I'm waiting for them. We got a beach umbrella right here. We just rented that. So we are waiting. I'm waiting here. They're just going to get our stuff out of the car. Then we can get started. Already got my swimsuit on. It's breezy, but it's still a little warm, but it feels good. I don't want them to see me. I don't like water. See, Mumayogu, it's taking me. I don't like water. No, I'm not going. You have to hold my hand. No, not smooches. You hold my hand. I'm scared. You wanna go no smooches? No, no. I stop right here. No. I'm scared. No. You don't get it. The heck on it. When I tell you I don't like water like that, trust me. I am not going beyond this place. This is too much water. This is how far I go. I'm telling the camera. See there? That's where we go. This beach is rough, man. No, I cannot handle more than that. I really hope this iWatch is really as waterproof as they say. Otherwise, it will be gone, man. But yeah, I'm having fun. This is all I can do comfortably. I don't like the ocean. I have a phobia for it. This is all I can do. Anything more than this, I'm pushing it. I tried, but no, I can't do it. Not ready. So yeah. And you guys want me to go with it? You said lie, yo. I'm not going. He's taking me away. We're ready. We're ready. So wish me luck. I'm here. I'm excited about it though. My husband would never get on this, no matter what. Never. How Fabian more not him. this a wrap. This is the end of my trip. I had a little time to edit some videos on the plane before I crashed and just had to sleep because I didn't sleep 1 ounce of sleep the night before. My trip was really worth it. I got to spend really good time with my sister, who is just so special to me. She knows, I know, no need for some long talk. But guys, this was just the calm before the storm. A lot happened after I got home. It was a rough week. I will share that in my next vlog. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next one.